video is for showing how to install and apply Mjform component in Joomla 2.5. First, we need to go to Extension Manager and then go to the package file to browse for the file that we want to upload and install the file. We need to wait for a few minutes. Now installing component was successful. So we go to the component. We will see that now there is Mjform component. We click here. This is the Mjform control panel page. There are 4 menus: Mjform, Export Forms, Import Forms, and Info. Mjform is the tab to create, edit, copy, and delete the file. Export Forms is the tab to use for exporting the form and its information to the drive or other websites. Import Forms is used for importing the form from the drive to the website. Info is the information about Mjform. Now we will start it by go to the Mjform. In this page, we will see that there are 3 forms that are set up together when we install the form. That is complaint form, register form, and survey form. This is the basic form that are provided with installation. At the top right, you see that there are 4 tabs. That is new. We use this one whenever we want to create a new form. And the second one is for editing. The third one is for copying, and the last one is for deleting the file. Now we started at the register form. Let's see. When we come to this page, is the design page. There are 2 parts, the left side and the right side. The left side, there are 3 tabs, that is toolbar, form, element. For the toolbar tab, inside there are 4 tabs, that is basic. Basic is the toolbar for the text box, text area, radio, list, checkbox, file, button, HTML element for us to create the form at the right side like this. And then the next one is the advanced. This one, advanced form, is the tab for adding up special information for particular work, such as if you would like to add up the date or database list, email, or simple calculator. The next tab is automatic. Is for displaying particular information in the form. For example, Joomla user, entry date, IP, random, hidden field. And the last tab is spam control. Spam control is for spam protection. There are 2 kinds, reCAPTCHA and secure image captcha. Secure image captcha like this one. This is the form tab. There are 4 tabs under the Form tab: Form information, redirection, database, and mail. For form information, let's see. There are title. We specify the name of the title here. We would like to publish it or not. Type, which type, normal or profile. Starting publishing date. Finishing publishing date. Maximum records. Theme. Default. Allow user groups. Which user groups that would be allowed to the form page. Active, plugin, database, and mail. The next tab is Redirections tab. It contains thank you page link. We have to specify which page would be linked to after the form is submitted. Form expired page link. We need to specify which page will be linked to after the expired publishing. Not authorized page link. We need to specify which page when the user is not authorized to come to. The next tab is database, and then the mail tab. For the mail tab, we need to specify whether you want to send notification to administrators on new entries or not. You want to send user a confirmation message or not. For the administrator's email, we have to specify the administrator email, maybe 1 or 2 or how many administrators email, up to you as you want it. Administrator notification message format. This one is the message that we have to set up to notify the administrator whenever the form is submitted. User confirmation message. We have to provide a message to confirm the user whenever the form is submitted. For example, your submission has been successfully received. Thank you. And then we go to the element tab is to specify the property of the form: ID, label, for example, type of complaint, CSS, what kind of the class, list, for example, this one this one is listed. In the list, we specify the option for the list to choose: multi-selection or no, required, yes or no, and we can convert the text box into other kind, maybe radio or something. We can choose in the option and just push the convert button. For example, maybe we would like to change the name tab. We would like to change the name tab into radio tab. We can change here. So now the text box have been changed to radio tab. After finish everything, we can save and close here. Now we are going to create a new form. We go to Mjform. Then we choose the new button. At the toolbar basic, we just drag what we want from the left side to the right side. If we don't want this one, we just check the delete button. So let's name the label. And if we would like to change the position of the gender to below the page, we just come to the front and drag it. Now we remove it. Or we would like to add up another option. We can adding up. We can add up here. We can adjust the width of the fill. If we don't like to have this gender, we just delete it by pushing this button. Now, after finishing, we must have the submitting button. So we go to the toolbar again, and we come to change the name in the element tab. So now everything is is as the same that we want, and then we save and close here. Oh, we forget to name the title. The system will remind us, so we click OK and go to the form. We need to name the title first. This I would like to name it as the Mjform. And don't forget to set up the thank you page link. After the form submitted, it should go to the page out. For example, I set it like index page. If everything is filled up, we go to save and close now. Now the form is saved. After creating the form, we will see that the list, there are 4 forms in the list. This is the one that we have just created. If we would like to copy this one to another one more form, we check the Mjform and click copy and name title. If we don't want it anymore, we just check Mjform 2 and delete. If you want to edit, you just check which one and check the edit button. So you can edit any tab that you like, or add up any text box or text area, up to you. And then so we go to the next step. I will cancel this first. Now we are going to bring this form for application. First we go to the menu. At the main menu, we select add new menu item. In this part, there are 2 parts, details and link type options. In the detail, at the menu item type, we select Mjform standard form layout. At the required setting, select form. We select Mjform and name the menu title Mjform. And then save and close. Now menu item successfully saved, and then we go to the view side. You see that at the main menu that is Mjform 5. We go to the page. So now we will try to input the information in this Mjform. And then save. Then we go back to the component and choose Mjform. At the Mjform, we will see the record is one record as we had recorded. We go to the record page. We will see the information that we had entered in the web page: name, address, age, gender, and dog. It is corrected. It is correct as we had entered. At the left tab, filter tab is for inputting what output you want. On the right side, this one is the same as search, and the record per page, we can set it to be as much as we want. And then this is the delete selected. If we want to delete this one, we just push the button here. Next, we go to the export. Export tab is for exporting the form. There are 4 types: HTML element, CSV, XML, and XLS. Then we push the back button in order to go to the export. In this stage, if we would like to copy, we just check mark at the Mjform and push the copy button and name it. We go to Mjform 9 to see we will see that all the structure will be the same as the original file. If we would like to delete the file, the form, we just check the mark and push the delete button and OK. Now we are going to the export form. In the export form, we will see at the top right that there are export forms button and export forms and data. We will choose Mjform to export forms and data. Then we will save the file. Now we got the export file in WinRAR and we move it to the desktop. Then this is the export form process finished. And if we would like to import forms, we just go to the import and browse for the file that we would like to import to. But in this case, I would like to import the form that we just export out to keep it in the drive. So before import the same file, we need to go back to the export file to delete the Mjform in the export form first. We need to delete the Mjform in the system first. So now we will go to import forms. We go to the package file, browse for the file name that we just keep it, and then upload and install the file. Now import successful. The import file is successfully imported. So we go to the Mjform to check. Now we have the Mjform which we had already deleted before import. We will see that the information is the same as the one that we export. Mario, Bangkok, Thailand, 2130 Mel, dog cat. Then we have got the same file. Thank you for paying attention.